It's a cicada.
Yeah, it's a cicada.
Look, Scarlett, you see the red eyes on it?
Uh-huh.
Let's see it, Brandon. What the heck? What do you call it?
Cicada?
Potato.
No, cicada.
That's a funny looking thing. Like it bites you.
No, they don't bite you.
Can I hold it? I want to hold it.
They got red eyes.
Spooky, you want this tasty bug?
Spooky says, nah, I don't want nothing to do with no cicada bug. Boop, boop. Spooky.
Yeah, kitty. Spooky, cicada. Come on.
You don't hear good no more.
Let's see if he'll go on you. I'm kind of tired of holding him. There you go.
There's Scott talking about something. I thought she talking about spinal potato.
Nah, she was saying cicada.
Can I hold it?
Here, let your sister hold it.
Let me hold it. He doesn't want to be held by you.
There you go.
Don't let it crawl onto your hair. That would be weird.
No. Cameron's got a thing out there that I think you got it.
Get it.
Somebody get it to him. Well, wasn't it made to lift car motor?
Oh my